Right, guys, good evening. I'm in my big raised bed, which we built out of breeze blocks. And today, hopefully, I'm going to do a potato reveal. So I'm going to pull back all of this straw, remove the bamboo canes, and hopefully we'll see some fabulous potatoes. So without further ado, I'll get cracking on, get all my bits and pieces together, and then hopefully when I come back, I'll be able to show you a potato reveal. Right, guys, the first one I'm going to try and reveal are Charlotte potatoes. So I'm going to remove the bamboo canes, which were used to help hold down all this straw hay, which is good to be used as a mulch for mulching, for making sure the potatoes stay lovely. So pulling this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all this off, then I'll start pulling up the potatoes and we'll see what we've got. So come back to you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, on the first reveal, which is meant to be Charlotte, yes, I think they've gone slightly a little bit bigger than they should have, but there's a few nice potatoes there on the first reveal. I think there is some more Charlotte just here because obviously I've lost the stringing with the I've got the little pole here where the string's attached. Just got to move the straw out of the way, but I think there is some more Charlotte, and then Pentland Javelin and Duke of New York and one other, I believe. But yeah, so far looking so good, and we'll see what else we get when I come back to you guys in a moment. Okay, guys, that's the potato harvest revealed, and I have to say that is an amazing crop of potatoes. I've not had a good crop like that since I've been up the allotment. This is the best crop I've had in a long time. So since we've built this raised bed, the wife built the raised bed, and we've planted just loads and loads of potatoes. I believe it was 4, possibly 5 different varieties. I think the rain washed off some of the names of the varieties, but I believe this variety here, which I can just make out on the label still, is called Marquise. I had Charlotte, I had the Red Duke of York, and I had Pentland Dell, I believe. So I've got I've pulled up 6 lots of potatoes, but I think I only planted 5. But as I say, guys, that is amazing. I'm really happy. I'm going to rake this area over possibly tomorrow and get it ready for some other bits and pieces. Still got the sweet corn coming in, but yeah, for the potato harvest, I am really pleased with that.